Hi friends, welcome back to Be Confident. I'm Smita Agarwal. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Blackhead 3-step program. This is their nose strip which comes in 3 steps. I have used this before and it's a nice product. So I'll use it in front of you and then we'll see how it works. So let's get started. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to do it. And also don't forget to hit the bell button so that you don't miss on any notifications. So let's get started.
So it's a 3-step process. Step 1 helps in opening and softening of pores. Step 2 is the basic pore strip, and step 3, it completes the process after step 1 and 2 and it closes the open pores. I bought it from Nykaa. I'll mention the purchase link in description box. So let's start with step 1 now. Usually before using a pore strip, it is advisable to use a hot towel on the nose or steam your face for a minute or 2. But in the Jeju nose strip, as it comes in 3 steps and the first step fulfills this purpose and claims to soften and open the pores, so I'm skipping the hot towel to test how effective this product is. Now I'll take out this pore opening sheet and apply it over my nose.
This is very hydrating and it's got a lot of serum in it, and I'm supposed to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove the sheet.
It is still wet, but I'll take it off now. I'll use a cotton pad to wipe off my nose a little bit before moving for step 2. Step 2 is the nose strip. Before applying the nose strip, I'll apply some water on the nose so that the nose strip works well. But don't forget to dry your hands before you touch the nose strip. This is how step 2 looks like. This is the basic nose strip. I am supposed to remove this clear sheet and apply the nose strip with the black side down. This black side is sticky. Make sure to place it correctly on the nose. Now keep pressing it, smoothen it out nicely, especially around the corners because that's where we have maximum blackheads or whiteheads. And now I'll leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and let it do its work. So after 20 minutes, it has dried completely and now it's time to see the results. You can see by yourself how well it is doing its work. I don't have blackheads, but yes, I do have whiteheads and it is removing them well. Now let's proceed for step 3. This is how step 3 looks like. I am supposed to remove the plastic sheets on both the sides of this thing which I have to apply on my nose. This sheet, it is of jelly-like texture. It is so soft, it's actually sliding on my nose. This step is supposed to tighten the open pores. I'll leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll see the final result. Now I'll dab a little bit and massage the leftover serum into the skin. Now in all, if I say it's a nice product, it did clear out most of the whiteheads from my nose. All the 3 steps are effective, they work well, and this product is definitely better than those single basic nose strips. So you can try this. But a tip from my side, if you want to permanently get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, use a toner every day and don't forget to scrub your face at least twice a week. So this is all for today. I hope this information helps you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.